So guys, working on a commercial gas pack out here. Maintenance guy said the flames looked very yellow when he looked in here. So he wanted us to come out and take a look, see what we thought, make sure it was safe, and I'll just let you look and you can figure out what the issue is. It's blatantly obvious. And if you couldn't tell by looking in there, let me just do this real quick, and then you can take another look, and you can probably figure out what the issue is. Wow. So, yeah, this whole thing is completely off. The brackets that hold the manifold to the center panel came off, probably because the way they ran this custom gas line here. So, but I thought that was interesting. Figured I'd get it on film. So yeah, we'll shut it down and we will make her right. Check that heat exchanger and center panel, because she don't look too good. Hey guys, well, we got her pulled apart now, and it's not looking good. Look at that. Perfect position for a plastic pillar. I'm not sure if that's all new or old or whatnot, but check this out. Try to get in here as best I can. That, my God. And it appears the heat exchangers have been changed not too long ago. You see the RTV high temperature silicone up there. So I wanted to make sure and not assume that, as you can see, definitely look like relatively new heat exchangers, but unfortunately this is what happened when the burners came off. Actually melted through. So, looks like we're going to condemn this furnace, shut the gas off, all that good stuff, red tag it, and yeah, we'll be either rebuilding this bad boy or putting in a new package unit. Yikes. So there you go. Thought that was interesting. Figured I'd get it on video. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.